Yeah, Double R, Ice Game, Flood Money Records, Double R Music, Choppy Entertainment. Just like to give a shout out, you know what I mean, to all minds, you know what I mean, as usual, regular shit. Shout out to producers, you know what I mean, for this beat, you know what I mean. I do not own the rights to this beat, but I'm gonna freak it, baby. 2022, it gotta happen now. Choppy, let's go, baby. I know you got me. Rest in peace. I love you. I miss you. I hate the motherfuckers that did this to you and our family. Shauna and all the little choppies, the jollies and all that, little Jados and the jokes. Yo, Bruce, what up, cousin? BX, what up, cousin? What up, to all minds? Syracuse, New York, South Side, East Side, West Side, North Side. HOLMES, South Side. Stand up for Choppy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. My sun don't shine like it used to do. Back in the days when it was so damn shiny. Now everything is looking so damn dim out here. What's going on? Yeah. Stop doing all of this, stop doing all of that, stop popping all the rhetoric about me. You don't know me, yeah. But anyway, if you're talking about me, I gotta be doing something correct. Yeah. Oh, now shout out to me and only me with my music. I do it, I need it, you need it. Nigga, listen to me. Woman, listen to me. I'm not gonna say it again. Yeah. Now that my cousin is gone, rest in peace, Choppy. I'm gonna hold it down for you. Hey, and fuck everybody that's else. Hey, that got something to say about my cousin Choppy. You don't know him like I know him. I had the privilege of changing that man damn diaper. He was my cousin, our mothers and sisters. Yeah, me from the south side, 10 Danforth Terrace, the brick town where Choppy was born at. And I did all my crime. My auntie May let me get away. What I was doing, I was boosting. I don't steal out nobody's house. Yeah, don't get what I'm saying and take it the wrong way. No, now what I gotta say to you niggas out here in these streets of Auburn, yeah, New York to be exact, yeah, hey, yeah. Oh, you niggas ain't clapping nothing, you niggas ain't popping nothing, you niggas is frontin'. I fuck with my cousin, I want you to. Snice, I love you, thank you, cousin, yeah. Get all that bullshit from around you, yeah. And you'll be a better man and get so much bread. Niggas couldn't stop you if they stopped you, no. Hey, and I'm right by your side, correct side. Ooh, niggas keep talking all the rhetoric, niggas stealing all of these niggas' clothes. You niggas is clowns, yeah. You niggas is worthless, you bums, you scums. Fucking all the same damn bitches, running around town, spreading that shit out here. Little Auburn, stop frontin', stop stuntin'. I'm not saying that it can't happen to me. Shit, it happened to Choppy, my cousin. I miss you. Hold me in your arms just one more time. Yeah, it'll never be right, yeah, without you. I hate them niggas that did this to you. Fuck them and their families. Choppy. I'm gonna miss you, cause I'm gonna miss you. And I can never get enough. I can never get enough of loving you. No, it's so true. Yeah. I taught you everything that you almost know. The red rain style, leash on LA. Buried your fat tone, yeah. Bush, yeah. Them are my cousin's child. Ooh. If I miss you, it wasn't intentionally. My mind's going so damn fast. Please forgive me for all of my wrongs. This might be my last goddamn song, but I'm singing it to you, all my family and friends, and those that against me, yeah. If you love me, then I love you. But if you hate me, then I hate you. They say that man is not supposed to hate, yeah. But the way the world is going round, yeah. Thank you to my higher power, yeah, yeah. Don't know me, but you think you know me. When you get to know me, you will be so satisfied. You think I'm that nigga that everybody putting out there in them damn streets. No, it's not me. No, it's not me. Yeah, prove it. Yeah. Stop listening to all this rhetoric about me. It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Red rain, let's go. Red rain, let's go. REDDIAN. Fuck all of you niggas that's hating on me. Please let me know, and I will show and prove to you if that's what you want me to do. But I'm gonna take it some type of way when the niggas get up in my face. You're talking all behind my back, nigga, approach me. You niggas is pussy, niggas is frontin'. Ooh, stop frontin', stop stuntin'. Ooh, choppy. Rest in peace. I know you got me, ice got me, bruh got me. Taboo, hold me. Mama and Auntie Annie Mae. Hey, I really miss you, really need you by my side once again. Please come and hold me again, oh please, or take me with you. I don't wanna die now, but at any time that I gotta go, I gotta let go. Don't fight it, don't fight it, let me go by. Hey, I can't wait to come back home with my grandmother, my uncles, aunties, my cousins, my friends, ooh, and so-called friends, yeah. I see you when I get there, ooh, yeah. Little Sanders and Quayshawn, ooh, and Daquan, yeah. And all of my female cousins, ooh, let's go. We're so deep out here, oh. All of my damn cousins, the whole, yeah. This is Red Rain, and I'm talking to you. HOLMES. Ooh, thank you, mama and granddaddy. Yeah, boy.